Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm showing you how to replace this transmission gear shifter. I guess you could call it liner. I'm not sure the exact name, but this one's tore all the hell. You'll see once I get this out. I got another one, so we'll be putting this one in. So all you're going to really need is a star tool and what else? And a pry tool. So I'm going to set you on the tripod and we're going to begin. So first things first, what you want to do is carefully dig at the outer edge. It doesn't matter where you start. You can start up here or you can start right here. So I'm just going to lift up. Damn, it's so crusty in here. Yeah, it is dirty in here. I can already see. So just keep lifting this up. So I got this side free. I'm trying to be careful not to hit the camera because the camera is kind of in my way. Alright, so once we got that, that's broke too. But this whole center console will be getting replaced. You see that in the upcoming video. So what next thing you want to do, pull this down. And then there is a little retaining clip. Just pull out with it. Let me get the prize. Use this. Use a flathead, anything, just so you could pull that clip back. That's all, and make sure you don't lose it. We'll put that in here. Set y'all back right here. And then lift this up, take that out. And then carefully lift this up because there's a harness. It is crusty in here. Alright, so on this harness, just push down or release it, and then we're going to turn it around to the back side. Yeah, this is really disgusting. And this is the 2012 Maxima I just got about 3 weeks ago, close to a month now. So I think it's a T20. Yeah, it's a T20. So it's going to be 4 screws. So you got 1, 2, 3. And when you slide this down, there's your 4th one. So we're going to take these out. Slide this back. And then the last one. Set that aside, and then you can lift this up. Got some. And then what you want to do, hold on. We're going to separate this clip. Let me get my needle nose. I'll just pull the whole thing out. There you go. So now that's separated. So next, it's really dirty in here. All right, so this coming out. I gotta buy some more cleaner. I'll worry about this later. I'll take it back apart and I'll clean it. So that slides back in there like that. So. Oh, where the hell does this stink? Where's the new one? Alright, so get the new one. Just slide it in through its hole. So. And like I said, I'm gonna come back when I buy some more cleaner. I'm gonna take all this apart and clean it again. But for right now, it's gonna stay as is. So we're gonna slide this back onto its holder, whatever you wanna call it, right there. Yeah, click and paste. Turn it back to the side. Put this in. Hold it in place. Way align everything. Like so. And then we're gonna start putting our screws back together. That's one. That's two. What's this? It's kind of hard because my fingers is big for that little hole. I know what I'm gonna do. Should be a whole lot easier this way. Alright. And one more. Slide this up. Do that. All right, so now we're going to reconnect the harness on the back side. I'm not sure the camera's going to pick up. Goes in like that. You hear it click in place, and then just slide it over, line everything up, and then just push down. Like so. We're going to put the bottom piece of the third on first, and then just slide this up top. And then we're gonna get the little pin, slide it back into its line as so. You hear it click in place. Slide this up. That looks a whole lot better. So that's how you replace the transmission gear shift cover, whatever it's called, on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.